What is temperature play? What does it mean? And what toys can I use in combination with temperature play? Let's explore that today. Temperature play means it's temperature responsive. This means it's cold to the touch, but it will warm up or even cool down depending on what you want to do with it. This is applicable to mainly metal toys such as metal butt plugs or even glass dildos or glass anal plugs. Today I'm going to be showing you a few from the Gildo collection and how you can use temperature play to heighten your stimulation during use. So here we have the number 3 glass dildo from the Gildo collection. You can heat or cool in water for extra fun sensations during use. You can even put it in the fridge. It's a fun and exciting way to enjoy this dildo. You can also do it with these glass butt plugs from the Gildo collection as well. You can heat it in warm water or cool it in cold water or put them in the fridge as well. It makes your whole experience slightly different. Did you find this video helpful? Why not take a look at our other FAQ videos in this collection? Do you have a question you'd like to ask us? We'd love to hear from you. Pop your question down below and we'll take a look at it for you.